Guys, I really appreciate you having me out here. My name is Ben Casson. I'm a World Long Drive competitor. Cornell has me out here helping you guys raise a couple extra bucks, hit some tee shots for these guys. We got a big goal today. Hopefully we can reach it. Give you a little taste of what that looks like.
Good morning. My name is Shrita Davis. Is the $1 Million Hole sponsor for the EHAS Golf Tournament.
There you go. That's the shot. That's the shot.
Thank you.
Brand and Bad Golfer here. Captain Manta, this is my son Noah, Michael.
Hello. Paul Quirk, James Bob, member of Reply. I've known Cornell for years and supporting his program, do everything we can to help him out. Great guy, great program.
Oh yeah.
One-of-a-kind custom painting. Nobody else will have one with you in it. Somebody will harvest themselves for around 20 grand each, and some more 10,000.
Embarrassed just to even have my meeting in front of this great.
For everything that you're doing, thank you, Cornell. Thanks to everyone who supports EHAS.